So let's take a look at 9.1.3 volume and surface area of cylinders, and this is question number 4. It says Hernando needs to replace the hot water tank at his house. He estimates his family needs a tank that can hold at least 87 gallons of water. His local water tank supplier has a cylindrical model that has a diameter of 4 feet and a height of 2 feet. If 1 gallon of water is approximately 0.1337 cubic feet, determine if the supplier's tank will provide enough water. So the first thing we're going to want to do is figure out how many cubic feet the tank can hold. So that's going to be a volume question. The volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. So I'm going to do pi. Now in this case it gives me the diameter is 4. So that means the radius is half of that. So my radius is equal to 2. So it's going to be pi times 2 squared times the height. In this case, the height is 2 feet. So we have pi times 2 squared times 2. When you put that in your calculator, you end up with 25.13. And that's going to be the volume in cubic feet. We need to know, however, what is the volume going to be in gallons. So it says that 1 gallon is equal to 0.133 cubic feet. So we have 1 gallon over 0.1337 cubic feet. That has to equal, now if I know my cubic feet over here is 25.13, that has to go on bottom, and then I have X gallons on top. So now if we cross multiply, I'm going to get 0.1337x is equal to 25.13. Divide by 0.1337, divide by 0.1337, and we should end up with x equals 187.98 gallons. So will the tank be large enough? In this case, yes, it will.